In this video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on TikTok. So basically playlists are something that you can create on TikTok. When a user taps on it, they will be able to see all the videos you have added in a playlist. So to create a playlist, open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. Now to actually create a playlist, TikTok doesn't say that you need a specific amount of followers, but I've seen somebody be able to create playlists at like 50,000 followers, 200,000 followers, and etc. And basically when you get this option, it will be just available. You won't have to do anything, and it will be right above this video. You will see like a plus icon. Then you basically click on that plus icon, and then you will be able to create a playlist. So if you take a look at this guy, if we click, these are all of his playlists that they have created. As you can see, this guy has only 50,000 followers and has access to playlist. And if I just click on the playlist, in the entire playlist will be shown right over here. If I click on this one, all of it will be shown right over here. You can share the entire thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.